Ladies in rustic territories have intercourse more youthful than those in urban communities, ThinkAbout says. Ladies from rustic territories of the United States are having intercourse out of the blue more youthful than the individuals who live in urban communities, another investigation has uncovered. Politicos and social analysts alike have made references throughout the years to the partition between city-state Americans and those living in provincial territories. A few examinations and information have been aggregated on contrasts in salary, occupations, instruction levels and well-being between these two socioeconomics, The Washington Post reports. Be that as it may, little research has been done on contrasts with regards to sexual action. This month, the National Center for Health Statistics has discharged information uncovering fascinating bits of knowledge into the contrasts between ladies in provincial territories and the individuals who live in urban communities with regards to sexual action. One of the significant discoveries of the examinations is that rustic ladies begin having sex at a more youthful age than the individuals who live in urban regions. And normal, ladies dwelling in provincial parts of nation engage in sexual relations out of the blue when they are 16.6 years of age. In urban areas, the normal age is around 17.4. The examination additionally proposes that ladies who engage in sexual relations prior are likewise more inclined to get hitched more youthful. Among ladies matured 1844, a higher level of ladies living in country regions, 51.2%. Had their first sex by age 16 contrasted and ladies in urban regions, 41.7%, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention give an account of the discovery says. By age 18, 79.6% of ladies living in rustic zones had ever had sex, which is higher than the rate for ladies living in urban zones, 68.6%. Other than having intercourse at a prior age than ladies in urban areas, there are critical contrasts in the types of contraception utilized by the two gatherings. Among urban ladies, 25% utilize condoms or withdrawal as their essential type of contraception. More successful techniques, for example, conception prevention pills, are utilized by 23%, and 30% utilize very viable strategies, for example, intrauterine gadgets. Provincial ladies, on the other hand, will probably swing to profoundly viable conception prevention strategies, with 41% utilizing techniques, for example, intrauterine gadgets. Among the rustic statistic, 19% utilize condoms or withdrawal and 20% utilize the pill or comparative strategies. In the meantime, while more country ladies swing to more viable types of conception prevention, their introduction to the world rates are really higher. A higher level of ladies living in urban regions had no births, 41.6%, contrasted and ladies living in country regions, 30.3%, the report clarifies. A higher level of ladies living in rustic regions had any births, 69.7%, contrasted in ladies in urban regions, 58.4%. With regards to marriage, ladies in the two socioeconomics seemed comparable, with 40% of ladies presently wedded to an inverse sex life partner. Concerning dwelling together, 15.7% of urban ladies were living with an inverse sex accomplice versus 18.6% in country territories. Remarking on the investigation, Dr. Eleanor Bimler-Schwartz, an exploration disease transmission expert who works in ladies' well-being at the University of California, Davis, and wasn't associated with the review, featured the requirement for expanding sexual training among ladies and access to conception prevention. On the off chance that we truly need to enable young ladies and teenagers to have a sound and safe sexual life, we have to get powerful assets and training to them before 16, no matter where they live, Schwartz told NPR. She additionally called attention to that huge numbers of the projects that were purportedly effective at battling high school or pregnancy all through the nation are right now being focused on and covered by the current presidential organization. Thank you for watching our video. Do not forget to subscribe to see our next video.